Mayong adlaw. So for today's video, gusto namin ipakita yung aming dalawang argon CO2 mix gas regulator. So po, sa aming unang regulator, this is Gasic Gas Optimator. This is a two-stage gas regulator, premium brand from Sweden. So which can save you 30 to 55% because nalalesen nyo yung gas surge every trigger during welding. So ito naman yung aming standard argon CO2 mix gas regulator. So isa-set natin siya sa 20 liters per minute. Tara, check natin yung kanilang pagkakaiba. So set natin yung Gasic Gas Optimator natin sa 20 liters per minute. Then iset din natin yung ating standard argon CO2 mix gas regulator sa 20 liters per minute din. Tara, balloon test tayo. Itong right balloon is connected sa ating Gasic Gas Optimator. Then itong balloon sa aking left is connected dito sa standard argon CO2 mix gas regulator. Tara, balloon test tayo. See the difference?